Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Fortnite stuck on checking Epic Services queue on PC. It's quite easy and straightforward, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, completely close Epic Games, and on the bottom right corner here, press exit on Epic Games. And after you do that, then find your Epic Games launcher shortcut here and go to properties, compatibility, and make sure that this one click on run this program as administrator. Press apply, okay, and launch Epic Games launcher here and try Fortnite. As you can see here, we need to wait for a few seconds until the page loads up, and go to library and then try Fortnite. And if it's not working, then press on your profile icon on the top right corner, then go to settings and then scroll down until you see troubleshoot, and press on that, and then press troubleshoot again and wait until all the things lights green. And after that, restart Epic Games Launcher and then try Fortnite again. All right, so that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.